Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. And today we got Novus in the building with a bag creation. I like this one. I like the combination of colors. I like the theme. Yes, people, this one's nice and it's going to be affordable in the Gear Manager store. Now, the name of the watch face is called NG05. In the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's going to be lit up green. But once it's on, you got a nice look with this watch face. I like where the developer came from with this one. I like the background thing. I like the look of the hands. I like the combination of colors because orange and blue goes together perfectly. Now, what you're going to get at the top is your day of the week. Going to get your date, going to get an AM stamp right here. In the center, you will get your battery percentage. I thought that was a nice added touch to put the battery. And also down at the bottom, you will get your step status all in one place. You're going to get your heart rate information, steps, miles walked or ran, and your calories burned. But you also get shortcuts as well. So if you look over here, you'll get your schedule. Over here, you can make a phone call. And right over here, you got your messages. And of course, down here, you got your weather. And you can get to those with a single tap. And I thought my man really got down. Again, the blending of these colors are perfect. And you can also, of course, customize the color. Now, that's nice. Sticking with the orange theme so far as the hands and the numbers are concerned. And still, that's not a bad touch at all. I think it's a good look for a casual watch face. And you may get away with dressing up with this one, but at the end of the day, it's still a nice looking watch face. Now you also are going to get the best of both worlds, going to get analog and digital, people. Again, this one is affordable in the Gear Manager store, and it's a 24-hour watch face. You don't want to miss out on this one. Check it out. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.